how to change Roblox password. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you forgotten your Roblox account password or remember it but don't know how to change? If yes, then you are in the right video. In today's video, I will show you the two best methods to change your Roblox account password. First method is for those who don't remember their password, whereas the second method is for those who remember it. So make sure you watch till end. Without further ado, let's get started with first method for those who don't remember their Roblox account password. Open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you are on the official Roblox login or sign up page. Select login option. If you don't remember your Roblox account password, ensure you have remembered your email address or phone number linked to your Roblox account. Let's begin. Tap on the forgot password or username option. You will be directed to the Roblox official username and password changing page. Make sure you are in the password section. Choose either the email or phone number method to reset your password. I prefer changing the password using email. Enter your associated email address. Once entered, tap submit. Check your email for a password reset link. For that, come back to the home screen. Open Gmail on your device. If you are not using the same email address, then tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top to switch between accounts. Once you are in the correct one, you will see the password reset email from Roblox at the top. Click on it, then tap on reset password button. Your default browser will open up and you will be directed to this page. Now start creating a new password. Make sure you don't use old passwords. Also make it memorable and strong enough. Once you create it, confirm it by writing the same new password. Finally, tap on submit button. And boom, you have successfully changed your password with the help of first method and logged into web version of Roblox. Now you can log into the Roblox app as well. Let's learn the second method to reset your password if you remember it. Open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom to access more section. Scroll down to the end. Select settings. Go to account info. Here you will find the password section. Tap the pencil icon next to it. Now you can easily reset your password. Firstly, enter your current password. Then create a new password. Now confirm the newly created password. Finally, tap update. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two of the best ways to change your Roblox account password whether you forgot it or remember it. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.